Match number 6, we have Justin Wolf taking on the new crowned tonight TXT X Division Champion, B-Jaydee. Title is not on the line, but it could be later on in TXT. Of course, these two men, Justin Wolf, made his return last week. Not last week, I think it was episode 2 of Saturday Extraction against the debuting mystery opponent of B-Jaydee. And B-Jaydee was very upset at his loss to Justin Wolf. And this was a rematch. It was called for a submission match. Here we go, guys. Here it comes in the darkness. All you can see is the eyes of the wolf. I fucking hate this bullshit that it does this gay shit. But, you know, it kind of looks cool with him.
Making his way to the ring from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 194 pounds.
Look at the darkness. All you see is the eyes. Justin Wolf, the Lost Hunter. It looks cool with the eyes like that, but I hate how the entrance does that shit sometimes. I thought they changed that gay shit, but no, they didn't. It looks cool with him, though. Justin Wolf, the Lost Hunter. The reason why he's called the Lost Hunter is because he was in the team known as the Hunters, but he got lost in the wreckage of the team. Now he's left on his own. Boom. Looks familiar to somebody else's entrances. Now here we go. We have B-Jaydee, the new X. There it is. The X Division Champion, just crowned tonight. TXT X Division Champion, B-Jaydee. Title not on the line, but there it is. Seeing it in all its glory. There he is. Ready for his fight again against Justin Wolf. Fought him earlier tonight, but it was slow. Here we go, Justin Wolf, B-Jaydee. B-Jaydee running at him with a clothesline. B-Jaydee throwing him into the ropes corner. Boom. Splash. Trying to already, looks like he's already trying to submit the Wolf. No, the Wolf breaks out. Justin Wolf, no reversal from B-Jaydee. B-Jaydee putting him in the corner. What's he thinking now? Slamming his head off the corner. Punching him into the corner. Slap. Slap. Stomp. Oh shit, reversal from Wolf. Wolf lifting him up, throwing him down. B-Jaydee getting him immediately though with the kick. B-Jaydee stomping the arm sort of. B-Jaydee just trying to do everything. What's happening now? Slamming him on the knee. Throwing him into the corner now again. Loving the corners tonight. B-Jaydee grabbing the corner rope, jumping with a flip. Justin rolling out. Ooh. B-Jaydee getting up. Jumping again. B-Jaydee getting in the ring. Avoiding the count out, talking to the crowd too. Trying to acknowledge the Boston crowd here tonight. They're trying to get to Justin, but the ref stops him. Oh, shit. Ooh, trading blows with each other. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, misses the fourth one. Just Justin hitting him. Ooh. B-Jaydee getting back into it. B-Jaydee missing. Justin hitting him. B-Jaydee missing again. Drop kick from Justin. Justin with the stomp. And I was raging out. What could he be thinking? B-Jaydee getting the... Oh, no. Reversal from Justin. Clothesline from hell. To Justin. Justin does it to BJ. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Justin taunted to the crowd. I thought he was going to go for a submission there, but he didn't. Justin throwing him into the ropes. Reversal from B-Jaydee, I think. Yup. BJ calling him up. Calling him up. Drop kick. Calling him up again. B-Jaydee hitting it. Oh my god, he's going for the finish. The finish. Stomping him. What's he thinking now? Grabbing the head. Reversal from Justin. Punching Justin. Sweeping the leg. Shit. Rope break. Yep. Called it before it even said it. B-Jaydee calling him up again. Throwing him into the ropes. Slamming him down. Keeps calling him up. Oh shit, this again. We've seen this before like 5 times tonight. Gonna snap the leg now. The blood dripping down the Wolf's face. Could he still break out? Yes, he could. Wolf's leg seems to be hurting. Wolf's leg seems to be hurting. Jesus Christ, I can't talk. Reversal from B-Jaydee. Missing the clothesline there. Justin has him now. Throwing him on the ropes. Could he be thinking? No, Justin to the outside. B-Jaydee on the ropes. Flying out. Almost missing with that. Calling him up once again. What's he doing now? Throwing him into the ring. B-Jaydee going up to the top of the rope. Oh shit, going for the 360. Ooh, I thought he missed with that. That was almost a miss there. Stomping the arm. Stomping the face. What's this about to be? Oh shit, rake in the face. Rake in the face of Wolf. Oh shit. Wolf gets out of it, man. What a match. What's this about to be? 1916? No. Wolf getting him up. What's this about to be? Oh shit! Slamming him with the signature, man. What's happening here? What's this about to be? Arm breaker? Arm breaker? No. Rope break. BJ getting up though. Tried to do a comeback there. See the crowd subscribe to B-Jaydee. Missing with the finisher. Maybe that's what I need to say to get him to win. Holy shit. Oh my god, yes. B-Jaydee with the finisher to the head. Stomping him now. Trying to grab him. What's happening now? He's doing the same submission again. To Justin tap. No. Justin with the resiliency to get out. Now Brandon and Justin both on the outside. JD reverse. B-Jaydee Throwing him into the no. Reversal from Justin. Justin has him in the corner. Reversal from B-Jaydee. Oh, shit. Ooh. Punches to the face and the stomach. Throwing him back into the corner. Reversal from Justin. It's corner night, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus Christ, it is. Justin running into the corner. Reversal from B-Jaydee. B-Jaydee. What's he thinking now? Punching him in the face. Throwing him into the corner. Punching him. What's happening now? Ooh, punching his face to the floor. Punching him down with the slam, dude. Oh, fuck. Here we go again. The finish. B-Jaydee pounded him up. Slamming him down with the slam. B-Jaydee calling him up again. He keeps calling him up. Oh shit, reversal from Justin. Justin kicks him in the face. Justin lifting him up now. Oh shit. Going for the submission hold on B-Jaydee. No. B-Jaydee breaking out of it. What's happening now? BJ knocking him down. Sweeping the leg. Might be a rope break here. Might be a rope. No, it wasn't a rope break. Holy shit. Oh, what? Alright, I guess it was a fucking rope break. This ref doesn't count fucking rope breaks. And sometimes he does. What's Brandon thinking? Boom. Brandon calling him up. Throwing him into the ring now. Brandon going to the corner. What is he doing? Why is he tying him up like this? Doesn't have anything to do with that. Oh shit! Move thief. Stealing the move of Justin. Holy shit. Oh my god, Justin taps. The move thief is what did it for B-Jaydee. That was it. B-Jaydee is your winner.
Here is your winner, B-Jaydee.
The champion gets the victory over the challenger. B-Jaydee gets the win over Justin Wolf. As we take you to the 7th match of the night.